Now what are you going to do with it? Can you give it back to Lexi? Give it to Lexi. That's nice. Get it, Lex. You tease. Go give it to Lex. I don't think Emma wants it. Lexi wants it. That was nice, Will. Can you give Lexi a kiss? Oh, she got it. He got it again, Lex. What are you going to do with it? Give it back. Oh, nope, not give it to the dog. Okay, give it to Lexi. Uh-oh. Get it, Lex. Get it, Lex. Uh-oh. Here comes Emma. Get it, Emma. Oh, are we all done? All done. Can you give that to Lexi? Give it to Lexi. Good boy. That was nice. Hold on to it, Lex. Nope. Oh, thank you. Here, let's give it back to Lexi. Here, Lexi. There you go. Okay. Okay. Ready? Give it back to her. Say night-night, Lexi. That's nice. Night-night, Lex. Good girl, Lexi. Good girl, Lexi. Good girl. Give her kisses. You give her a kiss goodnight?
Oh boy! You hit a triple!
And give her kisses. Give her a kiss.
Nice swing!
Oh. You like that baseball thing.
Going, good! Step up to the plate!
Yay, Will.
Home run! Batter up! Charge! Step up to the plate!
Tell her, say no.